Requiring details on auto repair? Need car repair on any breakdown? SmogMart does all mechanic work and not just smog checks. We are a full-service auto mechanic shop. From minor repairs like oil changes, tune UPS, radiator flush, tire repair or replacement, or windshield replacement. We do major engine repairs like starter replacement, water pumps, AC repair, head gaskets and valve work, machinery, and full engine rebuilds. Transmission rebuilds are a specialty. And don't forget our namesake, all smog check, brake and lamp inspection work done here. At SmogMart Incorporated in Sacramento, California. Call or stop by for all car repair needs. We can also dispatch towing for your vehicle. smogmart.com. Get in touch with us as soon as possible for further details on auto repair.